We're starting over. Yep. So yeah, we are starting over. I've made the executive decision that some things need to change because this week was super crazy. Like, I didn't even get to make a video this whole week. I didn't get to sew this whole week. This is my first full time in this office since the last time I was in here. So fun times. So yeah, the original design and idea that I wanted to do, I won't be able to do. I'm gonna try to do something close to it, but I'm going to have to pick another theme due to fabric choices. So as for right now, I am gonna keep the snow outfit for sure. I'm thinking about redesigning the smoke outfit just a little bit, not a lot, because I mean those two outfits are very versatile. I started off by just cutting out the top, and this isn't really to take much. It's like 13 to 15 inches, basically like a square or a little bit of a rectangle sometimes. But since I made it to fit me, it is a little bit smaller. But it's pretty adjustable because the back is open. You get to tie it yourself. You can put it as tight or loose as you want it. So it's one of my favorite like go-to tops. Very versatile. Here I'm just pinning where I want to kind of have my darts. After I pinned my darts and made sure they lined up correctly, I cut out all of the straps that I needed. So you need about 4 straps all together, and then you're gonna have like 2 little, like, they're not really straps, kind of string things that go like on the side, so that way you can loop the straps through. After that, I just laid everything out, all of my pieces for my top. Then I sewed the darts on both pieces of fabric. After I sewed the darts down on the top, I changed course a little bit and decided to put my horsehair into the bottom of my skirt. I decided to go with the horsehair braid because I wanted it to be a little stiff but still have kind of like that flowy look to it, the wavy type of look. After I finished hemming the skirt, I turned back to what I was doing with the top and I sewed down the straps. I just folded them in half just to make them a little bit smaller and a little sturdier. I really loved the fabric that I was working with. It was kind of stretchy in a weird way, but it also didn't fray and it was also very sturdy. I really liked it. I would use it again. After I got all my straps sewn, I flipped both pieces of fabric good side, and I pinned the straps in the inside of the folded pieces that I had. So this way, when I flip it inside out, the straps are actually sewn in there. I then flipped the whole thing inside out and just pulled out all the straps and all the corner pieces. After I made sure I got the fit that I wanted, I just top stitched the entire thing just to make sure that it laid flat and everything was secure. So if you guys watched my first video of me making snow, you know that I said the waistband was a little small, and I also kind of just wanted to redo it because I was rushing. So I actually redid the waistband and made it much bigger, and I also used white thread all the way around this time. So I'm very happy with the result, but I just wanted to show you guys that I actually ended up redoing that as well. After I finished this, I was pretty much done with the whole entire outfit. I'm really happy with how it came out. I hope you guys like it as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you already haven't subscribed, and if you have, go ahead and hit that bell button so you can get notifications for when we post. Also, in the description, there is a link to my website, which will allow you to sign up for email newsletters, which will keep you up to date with what's going on in the YouTube, also what's in the store. You also will get a lot of coupons and promotional codes that we have going on. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, please sign up for it, and we will see you guys on Sunday.